Hello guys, in this video we're highlighting the Graco Ultra 390 PC Electric Airless Sprayer, a reliable and versatile tool from Graco. This Graco sprayer will significantly enhance your projects, allowing you to paint surfaces up to 6 times faster than with a roller and 14 times faster than with a brush. With the right technique, it also delivers a superior finish. The Hawaii Boy model stands out with its frame-mounted design, allowing you to attach a paint bucket directly to the frame and move the entire unit easily on its wheels. Weighing just 17 kg, this unit is slightly heavier than the stand version but offers enhanced mobility and convenience for both interior and exterior painting tasks. The Hawaii Boy's design includes a retractable handle, making it easy to transport and store, ideal for new painting tradies, DIY enthusiasts, and as a reliable backup for touch-ups and small jobs. This sprayer is superb for general-purpose applications, although it is not suited for roofing projects. It is recognized as an entry-level model in professional range sprayers with a maximum tip size of 0.019 inch. The 390 PC handles a variety of materials including varnish, lacquers, acrylics, primers, and undercoats. It features Graco's ProConnect system for quick pump removal and replacement, an endurance pump with long-life VMAX components and 2 inner valves, a quick-access intake valve for easy cleaning, and consistent pressure control for a smooth spray pattern. Additionally, it includes a separate filter on the sprayer body and a pressure gauge on the filter for precise control. The package includes the 390 PC stand unit, an upgraded serviceable Contractor PC gun, a gun mesh filter 50, and a 6.4mm X15M BlueMax ALS hose. It also comes with a low-pressure 517. For added functionality, pair it with Graco's Jetroller products. And don't forget to use Graco's pump armor and lubricate the pump with throat seal liquid to keep your sprayer in peak condition. Made in the USA, the 390 PC comes with a 3-year warranty. For more details, visit the product description.